Good evening everyone. My name is Bimola Thapa. Today we learn about letter B. I have seen here big letter B and small letter B. Now I will teach you the sound of letter B. Listen carefully. B, B, B. I have some pictures of objects. Let's start letter B. B for ball. B for ball. The next picture is B for bird. B for bird. The another picture is B. B for bee. And the last picture is B for baby. B for baby. So now I repeat again. This is capital letter B. This is small letter b. The sound of B, 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 B. B for ball, B for bird, B for bee, B for baby. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget give me a like and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.